Alright, so in this video, we have been asked to simplify this particular arithmetic expression. Now, first of all, let me make something clear. This expression is not hard. So all we just need to do is to simplify it based on where it belongs. And when I get to a point where we introduce bracket, I will let you know, because that aspect is very important. So the first thing we need to do is to turn all the mixed fraction here to their improper fraction equivalent. So let's start with the numerator here. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 2, that is 11. So we have 11 over 3, then times 8 times 1, 8 plus 1, 9. That's 9 over 8. Then divided by 3 times 3, that is what? 9. 9 plus 2, that is 11 over what? 3 minus 4 times 2, 8 plus 1. That is 9 over what? 4. Please note something. You cannot say 11 over 3 cancel 11 over 3. Why? Because what connects the numerator with the second term is multiplication. And in this case, what connects these two terms is subtraction. So it doesn't work that way. So don't make that mistake. Assuming this is 11 over 3 times 9 over 8 and 11 over 3 times 9 over 8, they can cancel out easily. Right? That one is very possible. So divided by, so let me scroll. Okay, don't let me. Okay, so here we have 2 times 5, 10 plus 1, 11. So we have what? 11 over what? 2. Then divided by 9 times 3. That is what? 27. 27 plus 7. That will give us 34. So we have 34 divided by 9. So we are moving gradually. So the next thing we need to do is to evaluate the numerator. So 3 here 1, 3 in 9, that is 3. Right? So 8 cannot go in 11. So we can multiply 11 times 3. That will give us what? 33. Then divided by, right? 8 times 1, that is what? 8. Right? Then divided by, you can say I have made this division to belong. Right? Now, look at this. We need to find the LCM of 11 over 3 and minus 9 over 4. So what will be the LCM of 3 and 4? Well, we can use 12. Right? 3 in 12, 4. Right? 3 in 12, 4. 4 times 11, that is what? 44. Right? Then minus 4 in 12, 3. Then 3 times what? 9. That will give us what? 27. Then divided by, now we still have what? 11 over 2 divided by 34 over what? 9. We have to be very, I'm taking it gradually because if you are not smart, you can make mistake. So 44 minus, okay, so let me use the numerator. We have 33 over 8 divided by 44 minus 27. That will give us what? 17. So we have 17 over what? 12. Then divided by, so 11 over 2. We have 11 over 2. Then divided by 34 over what? Over 9. So now let me move it up. So now I want to rewrite this. So if I'm rewriting this, I have to introduce bracket. The reason why I'm introducing bracket is because before you can apply this division sign, you have to evaluate this and you evaluate this. They are different operations entirely. So this one can now be rewritten as 33 over 8 divided by 17 over 12. Okay, I put bracket, then divided by 11 over 2 divided by 34 over what? 9. So there's nothing like, okay, BODMAS. So you have to evaluate this, before you can bring in this into the scene. Yeah, so from there, so we want to turn this to multiplication, so we have to invert this right hand side. So we can write 33 over what? 8 times 12 over 17. Okay, I still put the bracket, divided by 11 over 2, right, times what? 9 over what? 34. All right, so with this understanding, we can move on. So let's see. 4 in 8, 2. 4 in 12, that is 3. So 33 times 3, that will give us 99. So that will give us 99 over 2 times 17. That is 34. That is 34. Then divided by, if you look at this, 2 cannot go in 9. So 11 times 9, that is what? 99 over what? 34 times 2. That is what? 60 what? 68. So the next thing is to convert this division sign to multiplication. So if we convert it, we have 99 over 34, then times 68 over what? 99. 99 can cancel 99. So what we have left is what? 68 over 34. And what is 68 divided by 34? And the answer is what? 2. So the whole of this expression here gives us 2 as the what? As the final answer. I want to believe this has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and share with your friend. Most importantly, you can comment and let us know how it has helped you. See you in the next video. Thank you.